All right, for chapter 6, we are going to do what's called a worksheet, and this is to get us ready for our financial documents for chapter 7. So the first thing we're going to do, every financial statement will be set up on this. We're going to first put in the heading. Row 1 is always going to be the company's name. So if you look up top, it's Fix It Now Company. The second row will always be what the financial document is. This one that we are working on right now is called the worksheet. And row 3, we're going to put for the month ended in April 30th of the current year. And that's the first step. So we'll hit next step. Now we're going to record what's called the trial balance, and this is how much money is in each account. So what we would do is we'd look at all of our general ledgers and we would put what we have our ending balance in. They're really nice. They give it to us already up top, so you have to look up top here in the work papers. So if we scroll down here, we are just going to be doing the trial balance. We're just going to transfer the money that they've wrote in up top, which we got that number from our ledger as the ending balance. And we're just going to put those into our trial balance. So this gives us an overview look of what is in all of our accounts at the end of the month. So make sure to put all your assets on your debit side and all of your liabilities and your capital is going to go on the credit side. So all these numbers you're going to get from up top. Now there's going to be this new account called Income Summary. That's not really going to affect any of you guys until chapter 8 when we start closing out accounts. There should be nothing in it, but we will be using it later. And this is, like I said, setting up your trial balance. In the remaining of this chapter, we're going to fill out the other columns. After you have put in all of your account titles, utilities, expenses, $550, and not in supplies expense. At the end, on the very last line, we would total up each account. So we total up our debits and total up our credits. So you add them all up together. Now here is how you can check to make sure you are correct, is if your debits equal your credits. And that is 6.1. If you have questions, please ask your teacher.